In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with friends on PlayStation 5 and Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up crossplay in Minecraft. This will allow you to play with as many friends who are on different platforms as you want. So, for this video, I'm going to be recording it on the PC version of Bedrock. However, these instructions will apply for any other one. I'm only recording on my PC because I can get higher quality footage here. So what you have to do is first of all set up a Microsoft account. If you are playing on Xbox, of course you already have this, but if you are on PlayStation, it is extremely important that you go over to the settings, check out the account tab, and make sure that you have a gamer tag and a Microsoft account connected. This is going to be the bridge between different platforms, so it is what allows you to connect to other platforms and play with your friends. So after you have the Microsoft account set up, you can go over to Play. You will also see a notification to sign in with a Microsoft account on the home screen if you haven't signed into one already. When you go over to Play, you will now be able to configure your world. So you can create a new one or choose a pre-existing world and choose the option to edit that world. The reason why you need to go into the world settings is to access the multiplayer category. In here, make sure that multiplayer game has been enabled. As long as multiplayer game is enabled, other people will be able to join you on this world. Now, if you are on a console, you will see the player access settings and you can individually change the settings for PlayStation Network members and the members of Xbox. So set it to invited players if you only want people to be able to join. If you directly invite them, you can set it to friends to where anyone who is on your friends list will be able to join, or friends of friends. Once you have multiplayer game enabled and you set up the player access according to your preferences, go inside of the world. When you are inside, pause at any point and you will be able to invite your friends. So press the start button and at the right side of the screen, choose invite to game. Now, if you are on a console, you will see the option to find cross-platform friends. So press triangle or Y on your controller and you will see your gamer tag. Share your gamer tag with your friends or they can do the same. And once you have their gamer tag, you will be able to input it here. Send them the friend request, and once they accept, you can select them from this list to invite them to your world. So highlight them here, send out the invites, they will get a notification, and then they can join your world so all of you can play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with friends on PlayStation 5 and Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips.